Hello everyone, today I will show you how to play Xbox Game Pass on your Firestick. First, you need to check your device. Make sure you have a second generation Fire TV Stick 4K, a Fire TV Stick 4K Max, or a third generation Fire TV Cube. Older Fire TV devices are not supported for cloud gaming. Next, you will install the Xbox app. On your Firestick, go to the search function in the Amazon App Store. Type in Xbox and select the app from the results. Choose Install and wait until the app finishes downloading. Once installed, open the app from your Apps menu. Now, you need to sign in. Open the Xbox app and log in with your Microsoft account. Make sure this account is linked to your Game Pass Ultimate subscription. After signing in, you will need a controller. Go to Settings, then select Controllers and Bluetooth Devices. Choose Add Bluetooth Device and put your compatible controller into pairing mode. Supported controllers include the Xbox Wireless Controller and the DualSense controller. Once paired, your Firestick will recognize it. Finally, you are ready to play. Browse the available games in the Xbox app and select one to start cloud gaming. The game will load from the cloud, and you can play using your paired controller. Thanks for watching.